Hello, dear children. Welcome to our class. Today we are studying Chapter 11 Sunitha in Space Part 2. In the Part 1, we have learned about Sunitha Williams, her experience in space, who is an astronaut, concept of gravity, etc. Children, do you like to go to space in spaceship? Okay, we are going. Close your eyes. Imagine that you are in a spaceship. Ready? One, two, three. Zoom! In 10 minutes, you have entered in space. Your spaceship now going around the earth. Are you able to sit at one place? No. Oh, what an experience is this! Are you floating in the spaceship? Yes. It is a lot of fun living in space. It is wonderful. Sunitha describes her view of the earth from the spaceship. The earth looked so beautiful and amazing. We could watch it for hours from the window of the spaceship. We could clearly see the curved shape of the earth. They have taken many photographs from the spaceship. From such photographs, today we know that the earth looks like. But thousands of years ago, people could only imagine what the earth looked like. Scientists tried hard to find out how huge, how big is the earth, how does it go around. Children, what are the things you see in a night sky? In the night sky, you can see moon, stars, even satellites. What are satellites? Satellites are things that move around the planet. For example, moon. Two types of satellites: natural satellites and artificial satellites. Natural satellites, for example, the moon is a natural satellite of Earth because it moves around Earth. Artificial satellites, these are man-made satellites, that is, machines put in space by different countries. For example, Aryabhatta, Sputnik, etc. Artificial satellites are man-made and that revolves around a planet or moon to collect information or communication. What are the importance of satellites? Satellites send television signals. It helps to communicate with the people all over the world for weather broadcasting, etc. Why do we see stars mostly at night? At night, there is no sunlight. As a result, the light from the stars is not hidden by the sun's glare and is able to see them at night. We can't see stars, moon, satellites, and shooting stars in daytime. Students, do you know the reason? They don't hide, but the sun is too bright during the day, so we are not able to see them. Students, have you seen moon changing its size? Look at the moon and draw what it looks like. An activity for you. Note down the size of the moon for a month. From a full moon day onwards, you start your activity. After a week, you notice that the size of the moon reduced to half. After 15 days, it will disappear completely. This is called new moon. That means there is no moon in the night sky. After a week, it will grow back to half again. And week after that, it will be a full moon again. So from full moon to full moon, it is a month-long cycle. What are the festivals related to the moon? Eid, Holi, Guru Purab, etc. Why do children always slide down the slide and not slide up? Because of the gravitational pull of the earth. If this slide were there in Sunitha's spacecraft, Would children slide like this? No. If the slide were there in Sunitha's spacecraft, the children would not be able to enjoy the slide because of zero gravity in the spacecraft. Look at this globe and tell. Can you find India? Yes, we can find India on the globe. Where all do you find the sea? All the blue colored portions show the sea. Can you see some of the countries with which India plays cricket matches? For example, England, Australia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and South Africa. We can see Pakistan, Sri Lanka, China, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, and many countries, their capitals, islands, etc. on this globe. There are lines between the different countries on this globe. Are such lines also there on the earth? No, these are imaginary lines. Sunitha says, Earth looks beautiful and amazing from this space. There are no lines on the land, only blue oceans and land are visible from this space. All the lines on the maps are made by us. They are in our minds. These words are said by Sunitha Williams. We understand that nature has given us the gift of life on earth, but it is we humans who have divided the land among ourselves through the lines. Worksheet. Choose the correct answer. What is the model of earth called? Globe. A special type of vehicle used for going into space is known as spaceship. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. There are dash planets in the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Who set the world record of longest flight by a woman in 2007? Sunitha Williams. Write true or false. The sky, stars, sun, and moon are inside the globe. False. Food and water also float in a spaceship. True. Water floats like blobs in space. True. Earth is a star. False. Earth is a planet. Sunitha Williams has spent more than 6 months in space. True. Answer the following. What was the name of Kalpana Chawla's first space shuttle? Columbia. Where does Sunitha Williams work? NASA. Time taken for a new moon to become full moon. 15 days. A natural satellite of Earth. Moon. Sunitha Williams went 360 kilometers away from the Earth in a spaceship. Division into countries has been done by us on the Earth. The first Indian who had been to space, Rakesh Sharma. What goes around Earth and other planets? Satellites. The blue part on the globe are seas and oceans. Who was Kalpana Chawla? She was an astronaut. Give reason for the following. The seawater doesn't fall off. Due to the Earth's gravitational force, the seawater doesn't fall off. Second one, from mountains, water flows downwards, not upwards. Because of the Earth's gravitational pull, the water always slides down. Sunitha did not have to comb her hair in space. Because in space there is zero gravity. We see stars mostly at night. Give reason. At night, there is no sunlight. As a result, the light from the stars is not hidden by the sun's glare and is able to see them at night. Answer the following. Short answer type questions. What is gravity? The force with which the earth pulls everything towards itself is called gravity. Why do the things thrown up on the earth come down? The things thrown up on the earth come down because the gravitational force of the earth attracts everything towards it. Why do children always slide down the slide and not slide up? Children always slide down the slide because of the Earth's gravitational force. Who is Sunitha Williams? What world record has she made? Sunitha Williams is an American woman astronaut. She has made a world record for the longest space flight by a woman. Why did Sunitha Williams come to India? Sunitha Williams came to India to fulfill her friend Kalpana Chawla's dream to meet school children. Children, I am winding up the class here. Before winding up, please like, share and subscribe this video. We will meet again in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.